Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Alex Coaching. Over the next few videos, we're going to be looking at how to rationalize surdic denominators. In this first video, we're going to be concentrating on the most basic one where we only have one surdic term on our denominator. When we talk about rationalizing the denominator, what it means is that we want to convert a denominator which may contain surdic terms which are irrational into something without surds that are rational. And often in high school, you will encounter questions involving the square root. So we use the fact that the square root of a times the square root of a will give you a rational term. For example, suppose you're given root 3. Which is irrational. If you multiply root 3 by itself, root 3, this is going to give you 3, which is a rational number. Same as if you were given root b and you multiply by root b itself, it's also going to produce b, which is also rational. So we're now going to use this idea to apply to the following examples. In question A, I've got 1 over root 5. We're going to multiply top and bottom by root 5. And the reason we have to multiply top and bottom by root 5 is because root 5 over root 5 is equal to 1. And when we multiply anything by 1, the expression itself remains the same, it's unchanged. On the top, 1 times root 5 is going to give us root 5, and on the bottom, root 5 times root 5 is going to give us 5. So this is going to be our final answer. In question B, we've got 2 over root 8. Same concept, we're going to multiply top and bottom by root 8. On the top, I'm going to get 2 root 8. On the bottom, I'm going to get 8. But we can simplify this answer. The 2 and the 8 cancels out, which is going to give us 1 on 4. And if you've done surds before, you know that root 8 over 4, root 8 can be simplified further. It can be broken up into root 4 times 2 over 4, which is going to give us root 4 times root 2 over 4, which is 2 root 2 over 4, or simply root 2 over 2. That's our final answer. And in question C, we've got 4 over 2 root 5. Now, it's not necessary to multiply both top and bottom by 2 root 5 because our aim is to rationalize the denominator. So all we need to do is simply just to multiply top and bottom both by root 5 only. On the top, we're going to get 4 root 5. On the bottom, we're going to get 2 times 5. So this is going to give us 4 root 5 over 10. We can simplify the 4 and the 10 to get 2 on 5, and our final answer becomes 2 root 5 over 5. In these next examples, we have surds on both the numerator and the denominator. Some students do get confused with this, so just remind yourself that your aim is to only rationalize the denominator. So for question A, root 3 over root 5, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by root 5. On the top, I'm going to get root 15, and on the bottom, I'm going to get 5. It can't be simplified further, so this is our final answer. For question B, we've got 4 root 3 over root 8. We're going to multiply top and bottom by root 8. This is going to give us 4 root 24 over 8. Now we can cancel the 4 and the 8 to give us 1 on 2. This gives us root 24 over 2. But root 24 can be broken down into root 4 times root 6 over 2, which is going to be 2 root 6 over 2. Again, the 2's cancel out. So our final answer for this one is simply just root 6. For question C, we've got 2 root 3 over 5 root 8. We don't need to multiply the bottom by 5 root 8. All we need to multiply it by is top and bottom by root 8. Once again, we get 2 root 24 on the top. On the bottom, we get 5 times 8, which is going to give us 2 root 24 over 40. Now, the 24 can be broken down again into root 4 times root 6 or over 40. This gives us 2 times 2 times root 6 over 40, which is 4 root 6 over 40. The 4 and the 40s will cross off, and our final answer is simply root 6 over 10. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you did find it helpful. In our next video, we're going to be looking at how to rationalize binomial denominators. So make sure to click the subscribe button below and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.